Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to set up a welcome message with Dyno bot in Discord. If you found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. As you can see here, I've been using Bot, but this time I'm going to show you how to use it with Dyno bot. So go to the left panel, click on your specific server. Now click on your server name right here at the top left. Click on it and just go ahead over to app directory. Click on it. Now go to the top right, click on the search box, and then just type down Dyno. Hit on enter. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, click on Dyno right here. So just basically click on Add App, click on Trust, Visit Site. All right, go ahead and select your browser, and it will then go ahead and open up Dyno's authorization website. Just click on Allow right here, and this one will pop up. Scroll down, add in a server, select your specific server. Click on Continue, give all necessary permissions, click on Authorize. Just wait for it. Verify that you are a human, of course. Just wait for it. Click on close. And once that's done, go ahead and go back to your specific server, and Dyno bot will now be added. Okay. Now you can just go ahead and go back to the browser that was once opened. Not this one. This one right here. Okay. Go ahead and add in your prefix right here, or your time zone if you want to. You're just going to add in maybe Asia Taipei, then click on next. And here, choose your updates channel. So maybe I'm just going to go ahead and add it in under general, but if you want to, you could go ahead and create a channel that says welcome. Okay. So I'm just going to go ahead and add it right here. Click on next. And if you want to use premium, go ahead and do so. If not, just click on done. Now the left panel, we have modules. Okay. You're going to click on the drop down and find welcome at the very bottom, just like so. Now go ahead and enable the module right here. Write down the message type, okay, or click on it. The welcome channel, again, select it. If you want to, you can enable send welcome message in a DM, right? If not, just leave it, okay? I'm going to go and scroll down. It says here, welcome to the server user. You can change this one, like welcome aboard. Then add in curly braces, user. Okay, now click on update. Now you can go ahead and add in some variables right here. For example, user, or if you want to include the avatar, go ahead and do so. Server name, channels, and roles if you want to. Okay, but once that's done, actually you're good to go. Well, you go ahead and go back to your server, and when someone joins, and when you go ahead over to general or the channel that you have added, it will update it right here, like welcome aboard. Ryan, just like so. Welcome aboard, the username. There you have it. That is how you set up a welcome message with a Dyno bot in Discord. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.